So just looking a little bit more at the mixer section and the channel strips, I must point out that what we can see here on the channel strip is reasonably well reflected actually in the main tracks window. Just got a few more things available to you here. I just want to talk about the use of sends. This can be a really useful thing. So on our drums, let's say I want to put an effect over my drums and my guitar, but not my bass. Rather than putting an audio effects plugin over the channel, this uses a lot of CPU to add up a whole lot of tracks with effects on them. We can just put in what's called an auxiliary send with an effect on it and send these tracks to that auxiliary bus. So I'm just going to show you how this is done. So I'm going to go, we want to send something out of that track. I'm just going to go bus, and I'm going to go to bus 1. And as you can see, it's created an auxiliary track automatically next to our other tracks here. I'm just going to double click on this. I'm just going to call this reverb. So I've got it named, and I know what it means. And I'm going to also send the guitar out to that one and see how now it's named reverb. And if I hold down Option and if I select these two tracks, hold down Option and click, it will bring them the, oh, I didn't want that one to go that far, but it's interesting. Have your send level be at about 0 dB. And I'm going to place a reverb effect over that auxiliary track that we're sending to. Space Designer and stereo. There's our Space Designer. Just going to close that window. I'm going to play my track. So this is, I've soloed the reverb. We can hear what's being sent sideways across into this reverb here. And I can just mute that if I want. We can send as much or as little as we want to into that by turning down the amount of send. Another thing that you can do is you can just fade that in gradually over time as well, which can be a good use for sound design. And this is the end of this video.